Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to make a line chart in Microsoft PowerPoint. So how to make a line chart in Microsoft PowerPoint? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, here we open our PowerPoint application on the computer. Create a new work page. Well, here it is already on the PowerPoint work page. To make a line chart, first we go to the Insert menu. To the right, tap icon Chart. Then many chart options will appear. Here we choose Line. Here I just choose Line. Well, tap OK. Now here it is visible. A line chart appears which is still empty. Now for this table. As input data on the line chart. First here I will change the title to Sales Handphone. Then enter the data one by one, first. Here Sales, and here Target. In this data section we enter the data we want. For example, my sales target is 160 per month. And below it, tap from below. And for the monthly results. On January, 150, on February, 170, on March, 190, on April, 195, on May, 200, on June, 210, on July, 220, on August, 230, on September, 239, on October, 230, on November, 250, and on December. 280, well, here we have finished entering the data. For example, you want to display the amount data. Tap the plus sign. Drag down and select Data Labels. Here you can see the data results. For example, you want to display error data. Tap the plus sign. Drag down and select Table Data Error. Well, below this you can see the data labels. We can also change the model of the line chart. Go to the Chart Design menu. Well, here there are many choices of line chart designs according to your wishes. We can also change the chart color of the line chart. Go to the Chart Design menu. To the right, select Colors. Well, here are many choices of line chart colors according to your wishes. Line charts in PowerPoint are useful for showing trends or changes in data over time, making it easier for the audience to understand fluctuations or developments in data visually and concisely. So that's it. Tutorial how to make a line chart in Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.